Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, yesterday we have discussed about the stem. Today our topic is leaf. Children, you know the leaf is a flattened green structure which arises from the node of a stem or its branches, so that the leaves are differ in the shape and the size. Children, this is the external structure of the leaf. You can easily see the flat green part of a leaf is known as a lamina, or we can say the leaf blade. Okay, it is attached to the stem by means of a short stalk. So it is called the petiole or leaf stalk. And the veins are also arises from the lamina part. So these lines are called the veins. You can easily see the thick vein present in the center. So the thick vein is called the midrib. Children, on the basis of the arrangement of the veins in the leaf blade, the veins are called, these arrangement of the veins are called the venation, because there are two types of venation. First type of the venation, where long and slender leaves are present, for example grasses and the banana. Veins run parallel to each other. So such venation is called parallel venation. The second type of the broadleaf, in which the veins form a network-like structure. So these venation is called the reticulate venation. For example, petunia, rose and mango plants have the reticulate venation. Children, so what are the function of the leaf? The main function of the leaf is to produce oxygen for the animals for their respiration process and remove the carbon dioxide from the air. Leaves also produce the food for the plants by the process of photosynthesis and create shade. It create the hiding places for the wildlife also. It is also the source of the food for the peoples or the animals. Leaf reduces the soil erosion also, because by the intercepting the rain as it falls, and the leaf is lowers the air temperature, because as the byproduct of the transpiration. What do you mean by the transpiration, children? The transpiration means that water comes out of the leaves in the form of vapor by a process called the transpiration, and the plants release a lot of water in the air through this process. The function of the leaf, the photosynthesis, you can easily see in this picture. The leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green colored substance, which is the main pigment of the leaf. It's called the chlorophyll. And for this, they use the water and the carbon dioxide from air. This process is called photosynthesis. Oxygen is given out in this process. The food prepared by the leaves ultimately gets stored in the different parts of plant as a starch, and these starch we are using as our food. For example, vegetables, fruits, we are taking cereals, all are the starch part. So children, I hope this topic is clear, and if any query you can write in query box or feel free to ask. Okay, now I am sending you book exercise, so you should solve the book exercise and then you will send as a PDF. Thank you children for your attention.